Hey guys, I'm back today with a new toys review. It's the big Wubble Fulla Sparkles.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, I am back today with a new toys review. See here is the big Wubble Fulla Sparkles. Now there's not only big wubbles, there are small wubbles. Because over here we have a small, huge, and a big. So we have wubbles full of snow, wubbles full of sparkles, and wubbles full of slime. And a wubble full of marbles. Now there's one thing I'm not liking about this. If you see on the cover here, it's a light blue. But then when you look here, it's like, what's that? So anyway, I'm trying not to complain too much, but let's get started. I'm excited. Come on, Zeus, you can do it. Yes. Can I open it? I am not good at unboxing at all. Yeah. So I found an easier way instead of just ripping the box. Excuse me for that. So I'm just gonna cut the rest of these tapes here. I think I did it. So I'm gonna open the other one. Why is my scissors not working? Yes. There we go. And now one last one, I think. Yes, this is the last one. Cut. There's it. Alright. So here's our Wubble Fulla Sparkles. I think there's somewhere to open it. So now I managed to get it open, and I realized when I get it out the box, it doesn't look that greenish darkish anymore. It looks almost exactly like it. Now I'm getting too impatient. I'm just gonna open it. Whoa! It feels so nice. Whoa! I love this. I cannot stop squishing it. It's bouncy. Whoa. It's squishy. And shiny and has a lot of glitters. It's just so easy to squish. Look. Squeeze it. Here you have it. Squeeze it. Oh! It's so slippery though. I don't want to let it go. It's just so weird. Invasion.
Invasion slime. Dun, 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 dun,
It's
dun.
not a slime. It's a wubble.
Well, to me, it feels like slime.
Like bouncy slime,
Yeah.
or it's like bouncy and watery slime,
Yeah, it's so cute.
but in a container that's a circle.
It's
It's like when you
in a
squish
container.
it and it goes down. It's like heavier.
Yeah.
No.
It's like, oh, it's heavy. It's too heavy for me. I can't touch it.
So in my opinion, I would say this is like a small. Even though I never felt a small, this wasn't exactly what I expected, but I love the feeling. Like when I first got it into my hand, I was like, this wouldn't be that squishy. But then when I feel it, it's like, whoa, amazeballs. Because get it, it's a ball, amazing. So yeah, I only got the big wubble, not the green one, but the blue one. So what I need is the huge wubble and the tiny wubble and the rest of these. to complete the collection. But I got the sparkles one. And when you literally like stay there and feel the sparkles, it feels like a real nice crunch. So I'm just gonna tell you where I got it. I got this from Rite Aid. And on 1 to 5, my rate is a million. I like it. It's really, well, not that stretchy, but it's good enough for me. But it's just so squishy. Now, bye, have a nice day. Put the subscribe button, the notification, comment down below if you also want one of these, and I'll see you in our next video. Now, bye. Share with your friends and family. Now I'm singing my rap song on my wubble 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 wubble. Now to my final act, saying the longest word in the world. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. 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 Bye. Bye guys. Hope to see you in our next video and have a wubble bubble day. Bye.
Wubble
Bye guys. Have a wubble bubble day.